Let's talk about the latest launch TECNO smartphone Camon 40 Premier Space Ring with side axis design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO AMOLED display, 6.67 inches 1.5K punch hole display. Resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, approximately 94% high screen to body ratio. Approximately 460 ppi pixel density, 1600 nits high brightness mode, HDR color quality support, 144 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 23mm Sony LYT-701 sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.9 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 70mm 3x optical zoom periscope telephoto camera with aperture 2.2, and with 50 megapixel 14mm ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 and dual LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel 24mm centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.5, video recording maximum 4K at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 15 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 3 years of major Android upgrades and up to 5 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.35 GHz single-core Cortex-A715 plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate, 4nm chipset. Paired with Mali G615 MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161 by 75 by 7.7 mm, and it weighs around 193 grams, and the color options, Galaxy Black, Emerald Lake Green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5100 mAh battery with 70-watt wired ultra charge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack with dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, infrared remote control support, one-tap flash snap button support, AI personal assistant Ask Ella, FM radio support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Camon 40 Premier has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 109,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Camon 40 Premier smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.